Alright guys, in today's video, I'm just going to be recording myself blowing up people and going on a big, massive killing spree. So, yeah. So I'm in a private right now. Silly Billy, that's my fan code if you want to meet me. Okay, I'm going to go into random and... let's see. Here we are.
Who wants to clap the chat?
Me!
Red watch!
Me!
Angle! I'm coming. This will actually wait.
That
kid has red watch. Black has red watch.
Bet! Say less!
This server.
Red watch!
Where?
That kid has red watch.
Oh, I need this!
I brought out red watch. I'll cook.
My idea now is I'm probably going to get a lance.
I know red watch.
A lot of people hate me.
Can't kill me if I kill me first.
What?
Oh, where is it?
Wait, no! He just killed... Somebody just killed Cookie with Jimmy! Cookie with Jimmy!
Where is it?
Cookie
Oh,
with
here.
Jimmy!
That's me.
Hey, green, someone
Okay, I don't know.
I'm shooting this frying pan at someone, I don't care.
Ow.
I actually hit him this time.
Yo, who wants to fight?
Guys,
Hey.
go to
I'll fight!
I bet.
Here,
Bro,
this
you
is how you
suck.
really gotta hit him. Guys, you guys can't hit him.
You
Ready?
really gotta hit me.
Do it the old classical way!
What do you mean I can't kill him?
Guys, look at my RPG,
I
guys.
hit him
Now
directly.
you gotta put the landmine on it.
Is he red watch?
No, I'm not red watch. I just want to kill
No,
somebody.
that's gonna,
Oh.
bro, when it explodes, it's gonna be like a little, a pixel.
Everybody in this lobby doesn't want to fight. Everybody gets scared of me when I'm
Red,
Shoot again.
Red. No, wait, when somebody has red watch.
I know how to get rid of him, guys.
Yeah, get rid of
If
me.
you get red watch,
I know how to get rid of him. I know how to get rid of him.
Okay.
You got rid of him.
He wasn't wrong. He got rid of me.
You actually got rid of him.
Okay.
Who's next?
Let's see.
I really know how to get rid of you.
I directly
Bro,
shot
you really
Wyatt.
did get rid of me.
Who has 5 big booms? Who has 5 big booms?
I know how to get rid of
I
him.
got me out.
Me, but you have to do it on private safe zone. I'll make the
Grenades.
booms.
That's good enough.
Okay. Wait.
Everybody in this lobby.
Let me make a boom.
I dare I'm gonna put a spin on it.
This RPG does a lot of damage.
That code kind of sucked. Everybody just camped in safe zone the whole time. Okay, let's try this one.
That question
We
is
finally have 20.
Race me, bro. Race me. Okay.
Great.
Where?
No, wait,
Can we do
I-
entrance to mines?
Three,
These are no
two,
so easy.
1, go.
I don't care.
I think I ate enough. Okay, I'm gonna go over here.
This is how much money you have
Yeah,
now. You have 160.
we'll just target this random kid.
Bro, give me that.
Hi there, do you have red watch?
Why? But you shouldn't have killed anybody.
No.
Nice.
No.
Oh, he did.
Purple. Can I just get the ammo of a red?
Yeah, they're the same size. What do you mean?
I don't know where to go and like stuff.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
Hey, bro, I don't know where to go and stuff.
Yo, this kid doesn't know what red watch is.
Like, is it like a...
Here.
I'll give you
Hey, bro, so where the weapons are?
Nah, is it talking about small?
Is it
PJs?
Look.
Maybe.
Nah, bro, wait. Let's
Tell you
do
that guy's
I don't know where the cave is. If you tell me where the cave is, I wouldn't
I'll
have to
tell
ask
you,
you
I'll
so
tell
many
you, I'll
things.
tell you. That's not the cave, that's not the cave. That's not the
Yo,
cave.
can you help me? Can you help me? Can
Yeah,
you help
look,
me?
That's not the cave.
Can you tell me where? No, don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Can you tell me? Can you tell me?
Yeah, alright, I'll
Can
tell
you?
you where the cave
Can
is.
you guys help me? Can you guys?
Ah! He knows,
Someone have Red Watch? Yeah, I'm getting revenge, bud.
What do you mean revenge? Oh yeah, I killed you earlier.
You killed me, bud.
Yeah, I remember. That was pretty funny.
You gotta drop it first.
Oh,
No, I want the pumpkin.
Yo, you, can you help me? Can one of you guys help me, please? I need help really bad.
What I do to you, bro?
Be
me. I'm not a scammer either. What do you want?
can you give me
an arcade RPG?
Can you help me?
shotgun.
Can someone give me a bigger
Can
small
you help
item
me?
for free?
Can you help me, please?
Just mine in the mine, dude. That's not hard.
Yeah, can you show me? Can you
Bro
show
got
me?
2 giants.
Yeah, here.
You
Can you show
can't
me,
mine in
please?
this.
Hi,
You
buddy.
can't mine. It's a PvP
what the-
server.
How is this?
How do I? Where do I mine? Where do I mine?
How did I get
The hell
that?
I can't. Yes, you can. I
Where
saw
do I
mine?
mine?
He got damaged.
Where's
Where's that? Who? Does anyone?
Does
Does anyone? Yo.
I don't
And
know.
put it in the
Not
backpack.
that
Put
many.
it in the
Don't put it in
backpack. Yes.
Green, you're dead. Last word's green. You're dead.
Got killed.
Hey.
Everybody's
Hey, my
panicking.
Pokemon. Why did you fall? Grab these hog arms. Grab them. Oh, why?
Hey, we need to kill Green. He has a Pokemon.
How did I miss all the shots?
Hey, Green, come on, come fight me.
What the hell?
Guys, oh.
I swear I just killed like
Hey, bro.
people.
I found the way.
Oh my God, no.
Don't do it.
I'm gonna do it, bro. I think you all know where I'm going with this idea. Okay, my corner over there. I think I got him.
Instant karma.
Find the best way to throw this way.
Perfect. Man, you suck. You suck.
Let's go.
And now you don't have an umbrella.
Safety
Look, buddy, I'm
first.
gonna catch you because Sigma balls. Who wants to go
Go
scam
off
some
zone,
kids'
go off
OG
zone. I
items?
dare you to, buddy.
Who wants to go into a code and
That's what I
scam some
need.
kids' OG items?
Bro, how did you feel that bad?
Wait, why is it not
Who
working?
wants to go into a code and
Yep.
who wants to go into
Not you. No one cares that you don't I know what to do. I had enough. Blue, come here. I need to ask you a question.
Okay, what the question is?
Guys, who wants a backpack with 10 grapplers in it?
I want to.
What will you give me?
Wait,
What will I get in return?
Who's opening it? Bro.
No.
Whoa there.
Go away, you're not joining. Fuck off. Oh, black, add me. My name is Alex.
Bro, what the sharing is carrying?
Yo, Blue, can
Who wants to donate to?
rocket launcher?
No.
why?
Alright, join me. Hold on.
It's me, guys, I swear.
Over there,
Black.
go over there and it's just a.
Can I have one, please?
Oh, hi there. Bro.
I know it's not
I think I killed him.
Black.
Did no damage.
Yeah.
Someone give me some broccoli.
You, blue.
I just.
Red watch.
Let me join him. Let me join him. Let me join him.
Why am I so
Twisted.
Yeah,
His control.
God,
What is that?
for the box.
Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy.
Yo.
Stupid revolver.
Imagine.
I gotta throw this away.
You said him.
Give me ammo.
Guys, there's a flashlight box behind the... Guys, there's a flashlight box behind the VR place. Guys, there's a flashbag,
Too late.
a bag on the behind the VR place.
I'm gonna keep this.
Throw it away.
Come on, Batman.
I missed. You got it. Come here, buddy. Yeah, that's
Guys,
what
someone
I
sell me, bro. I cost like $2.
Come here, buddy.
Hey, guys.
I'm trying to throw this at someone. Gotta be kidding me. Yeah.
Indigo.
Oh, I'm actually dying.
You can buy some.
I don't have it unlocked.
Guys, does anybody want to participate in a free for all?
It's good enough.
I'm sorry.
Like a battle,
Sorry, leave me alone.
battle royale.
I'm gonna die.
They don't have
You want to
to
join
do
the code is FFA7.
Leave me alone.
That's the 100
No.
I repeat, the
backpack
code
I
is
got.
FFA7.
Oh, what is that?
Oh, you just
Guys, donation.
Guys, I'm in the selling machine.
you small boy.
No.
That's a really nice house.
This is donation.
Dang it. Is this guy dead?
Guys, I'm in the selling machine.
You give me money.
Yeah, I'm trying to get you money.
Over here, you red watch.
I'm not even Red Watch.
Guys, sell me.
I'm not
Guys,
even
sell
Red
me.
Watch. Idiot.
They're gonna.
Idiot.
No, bro. No. I bet that.
Ouch. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Bro,
Oh, you're scared now. Come on. Yeah, run. Yeah, run.
no, bro, I have a glitch and I can't.
You're scared. You're scared. Yeah, run. Run in the safe zone.
Join you, bro. I have a glitch.
If you fill this up, you get a prize. If you fill this up,
Bomb
you get a prize.
squad, anybody want to be? Does anybody want to join bomb squad? Anyone?